5 Neo drive.
Ah,
David,
I'm
no.
back.
And then have like a Neo in the middle.
David, the only way you want 5 Neo drives is if you have an H drive.
God,
Yeah,
H drive. Oh, don't give him any ideas.
Bro, I kind of want to make a kit bot H drive.
Just make an
Have an
iDrive.
H drive kit for Kitbot. It's just really, really bad.
I mean, make a better one out of angle.
Right, I need to do fill that.
Rocker H or
If
bust.
I did an H drive, I honestly would probably just design a Rocker H out of Delrin or something.
Rocker
I want to
H
cross.
drive. Hot.
Okay, whenever I become like okay at CAD, I might make a Diffie swerve.
Diffie swerve, that's all you need, David.
I was so tempted to make a joke about you can never become good at CAD with Onshape.
You say that like people haven't gotten
You
good at
say
CAD
that
before.
like it's a joke.
Yeah, I might
Shake my
design
head.
a swerve. Just cause.
Shaking my head.
Nah, West Coast drive, all you need.
Honestly, we're probably just staying Kitbot unless like West Coast Drive actually
Joe,
has
I have a very important question.
Oh, what might that be?
Is that supposed to be folded metal?
No.
Bobby, I need
This
to get
would
in
not
a
be effective.
solid voice call,
This
call
would
so
not
you
be
can
effective
roast
as
me about
folded
my
metal.
CAD.
This would be most effective as injection
Billet.
plastic.
Bobby, can you roast
Okay,
my
so it's gonna
CAD?
be plastic.
I got Nick to roast it.
Yes.
I need
You
to
should
roast
most
my
you
CAD.
likely.
should let Garrett roast it.
We were
After
talking about
that.
it last night, how it would be plastic.
I mean, I let Nick roast mine, and he said it was okay-ish, and I was
David, I'll
kind of
roast
happy.
your CAD eventually.
That's high praise.
David,
Wait, which
I'll
which
roast
Nick?
your CAD when I let you back on the team server, which means you have to pick a high school first.
Okay. The on-shape
Band
Nick, the
David?
CNC man. I'll just shake
There.
the one that's
Now
like,
my
close
lighting
to my
should be a
house.
little better.
and
Ow, my
say
knee.
it's good.
Y'all ever just jam your knee into...
Honestly, that's probably smart because it's also like.
Yes, but like the thing is it would it be worth it to not go on a bus to school? Would it be better just to like I don't know like go on a bike? Is it better to bike to school or is it better just to take like
Ian,
bus?
Ian,
School-
I don't
bike to
know
school if
what
you
to
have the
do.
time and are responsible enough and aren't gonna like.
What are you
crack
not knowing?
some strange men.
I'm sorry, doesn't Washington have winter?
I don't know what to add to this
Yeah,
robot.
But
Wait, how tall is
The
David?
shell.
David, how
I
tall
would
are you?
honestly
I'm like
recommend
5 feet.
I don't know.
So you got a 5-foot David on a fat
I feel
tire
like I
bike.
need to design the
David-
internals first.
David,
You
the
will
fat
come
bike.
One of the kids on our team like years ago used to have a fat tire bike.
I have
was
like a
huge.
hybrid bike right now, so it's not like fat tire. My friend has a fat tire bike. I do not. And mine
Why are
is
these
like
two
some.
different
Wait, you
pieces?
haven't activated Windows? Shake my head.
Because it's expensive, and I upgraded my motherboard recently, or not recently, like several months ago. I upgraded my motherboard, and it was like, you don't have Windows anymore, and I was like, all right, they're just not gonna buy Windows. And it's
I
like,
Get Windows keys online for really cheap.
It's like,
yeah, I'd rather actually buy Windows.
I got
I
a
mean-
pro key like.
Or
20 bucks.
like, what if you like? Wait, isn't like, Avi, isn't like Redmond just full of Microsoft people anyway? So you might as well just get Microsoft. Like when, how does that work? Do you get like?
Yeah,
do you-
company discount exists too. Like my dad, even though he doesn't work there anymore, he still gets discounts on stuff.
Wait, hold up.
So literally, all
Okay.
of our family friends just make my dad get stuff for them from Microsoft.
Oh, one sec. How's stream doing today? How is everyone? Y'all been quiet so far. I don't know if there is anyone in chat, but I got lo-fi now. I'm probably gonna move to Gen 3 so I can do my robot because they're loud. And yeah. I don't know. I still need to do my copying and pasting of link everywhere. You know the norm. Okay. Let's do this. Let's, I think I already have it in copy, so I can just yeet it in. Yes, I do. I have so many self-promos that I post in now. It's ridiculous. Oh, That one. That one. Eh. Doodly-doo, I'm streaming cat help. Let's see. Which streams do I have? I don't. Hey, it does actually work. Fuck yes. Okay. Let's go through this for promos. I actually have an entire server folder full of places I can put my promos in. It's ridiculous. I have too many places I can promote. Ow. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna move to my general chat and my server. Hey, now I can just like chill here, you know? Gonna turn my lo-fi up a little bit. And then bam, we're ready. What should I design first? Because this is going to be a primary shell. It's going to be most likely a shell type design. So we have this primary shell. And then we have like back in this back area is going to be a battery. So there's going to be a battery back here that can slide out. We'll have to have a locking mechanism, of course, for it. Where to put the locking mechanism? I think I'm gonna have to have the locking mechanism like right over here that goes into this panel. We'll have to see how that goes. We could have it on the bottom, hooking up to the main, the bottom part of the shell. We could have it over here. Could have it hooking to the top, honestly. I'm not quite sure on what I want to do. I've already been pinged by Max. Are you planning to do HSLs this summer? Seniors are allowed? Nah. Okay. Pressing buttons. Let's see, this one, money sign, Joe. Streams, blah blah. I think that's everywhere. Okay. I guess for now, let's call this part 1. Good enough, yeah. I'll also probably, since it's supposed to be automated, I'll probably need a interface with it. And we'll see how that goes. Let's turn my gain down a little bit, because I'm seeming a little low. And then when we have our gain lower, it just sounds a little bit nicer, you know? Doodly-doo. What are we gonna do, guys? I don't know what to do. I have no idea what to actually make, you know? Because this was just yesterday we were like, hey, wouldn't it be cool if we had an industrial Roomba design? That's about as far as we got. So we want it about the size of an iRobot Roomba, so it's a 21-inch Roomba. It's 7 inches tall, though, so that's mean, it's 21 by 7. I'm sure some of you already have a great reference for 7. I am far from that. So, yeah, no references for me. Big sad. Okay, so the back is going to be a battery design. I have no idea where this saved, by the way. Uh-oh. Did it save there? No. It probably saved here, by the way. After... Yep, it did. Move to documents. I mean, it's open, so I might as well... No, okay, cancel. Fuck it. Let's open this up. Okay. Voila. We have our other cat part. We're gonna measure this out. What's our area in here? Can you tell that we're off axis? Anyway. 21 point... Okay, let's call that 21 and a half. Calling it 21 and a half so it actually fits. I'm sorry. Okay. New one. So... we're going to sketch, like... We're gonna sketch the same polygon. 21 inches. I put mine 25 degrees off center and 21. By the way, I set 21 sides, not 8 sides like I should have. Okay, so 8 sides. We're gonna fillet it later. We're gonna do fillets. I should have done fillets before. Yes. Gonna do them eventually. Okay. And then it's just gonna be this back part. So... This line was scuffed. Whoopsie. Hi, I want you to be... Yeah. Hi, can you actually work, please? Okay, that's good enough. Ooh, what's my dimension gonna be here? It's gonna be 0.1. No, 0.05. Okay. Dimension right here to right here is gonna be 0.05. Whew, that's a lot more than 0.05 inches. Good. Thank you. .05. Okay, cool. This doesn't look like 0.05 inches. I'm sorry. What? What do you mean? Okay. That's probably it. It's like, this doesn't look right. And yep, there we are. Why does it do that? Okay. I'm breaking everything. Okay, so I guess I wanted to go a little farther back. So I guess let's change. Fuck it, we're not going farther back. I didn't select extrude. I'm a god at CAD, by the way. Bonk. You know, you're close, but not quite. Hi, Kevin.
Poke.
Why am I what?
I see.
What?
I see your hexagon's going well.
Mm-hmm. Yes, it's going. I don't know what I'm doing. So yeah. I could have done this so much easier.
Oh, also your chat Twitch was broken.
Oh, what's broken about it?
Oh wait, never mind. Is it only for certain games?
For my
Chat.
what? Oh, chat torture? Yeah, it's Minecraft.
Oh, is it? Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, it's literally built around Minecraft.
Ah, that would
Mhm.
explain.
Yes. Yes, makes sense that it wouldn't work in Solidworks then.
But
What's
you
it
know what
gonna
happened?
do? Delete one part. No! That would
No, change part
suck. That would suck less.
Change
Oh,
the
hey, my
geometry
thing
of one part.
Oh, hey, I didn't see the sip. I have actual Mountain Dew now, by the way.
The second one or the first one?
Both. Ugh. Yeah, I have a different, like, way of my thing working, so I need to... Settings... Sound enabled. Fuck, that's loud. There, that should be better. Now when people talk, I should get notifications. I'm just gonna show you this. Ooh. What? What? Why? Don't sleep. It was only made because of Tom. Well, you didn't matter in that at all. Yeah. Info message whisper. Well, I guess I'm not gonna make that. Haha. Fuck. Okay, so this is gonna be. I did it wrong. I'm good at CAD, by the way. I know how to do CAD. What is the degree change of that? Okay. Ow. My hand. This one. I'm gonna keep this close in case you guys hit sip again. Oh yeah, I am sitting in my server if any of you want to join me. Yeah, that's about it. I'm sitting in my server. Ivan. I don't know how to CAD. It was just this bottom part that I opted out. No, it was up to here, right? So let's... Actually, let's put this from here to here instead. And then let's make this, fuck. I know what I'm doing, I swear. There we go. Perpendicular. That's what I was trying to do. God. Does me making fun of myself ever get old? Ah ha ha. What am I gonna do here? What should the distance be? It can't really intrude much, so I'm just gonna put it in like 0.5. Does 0.5 work? Yeah, half an inch will be fine. So, like, the average distance between two machines is 3 feet, right? And that's 36 inches. So I'm making this just under 2 feet, so it'll fit fucking everywhere. Because we're gonna have wheels right here, and we're gonna have wheels right here. Those wheels I'm gonna have drop down just a little bit. The center point will... actually, the center point will probably be slightly above the bottom shell. Because that just makes it easier to control everything. And then in this back area, I'm gonna have a battery. This is gonna be a chunky ass battery. Most likely a nickel metal hydride. Cool. Now what? I don't know. What should I do for my industrial roomba? No, it's gonna be battery operated. Most likely nickel metal hydride. Charging over there. Okay, this is gonna be built for industrial use, not home use. If it was home use, definitely. Not anchor joints. That would suck ass. Could I actually make gears visible? I could make, like, the sintered metal gearbox for the wheels visible. So just have the, like, shell of it clear so you can see when something happens. It'd be such bullshit. I might go for that. I might actually go for that. Hey, chat, do you have any suggestions? Oh, right. I don't have... Okay. The sketch is done, right? Yeah, okay. I exited the sketch, right? Oh, here we are. Found it. That's not how this is supposed to go. Okay, I don't want this area though. No, thin features off. I don't know what I'm doing, guys. Help. Send help. Okay, I'm getting there. We're getting there. It keeps setting up the thin feature. I don't want the thin feature. Stop this. Off. Save. Stop giving me the thin feature. Ah! Okay. This now gives me the thin feature, which I don't want. See, look at this bullshit. Okay, thin feature. Okay. Can you stop this insanity? Like, okay. So why is this contour not working? Because it sees it as a region. It's it sees it as a region. Fuck the contour. Clear selections. Just the region. It's because I had the contour. You know, I hate myself sometimes. Anyway, let's get back to this. It needs to be bigger, of course. I think I'm gonna have 1-inch bumpers on every side of it, and then LiDAR, because why not? Let's make it 6.875. This is now chunky. And then, of course, it's going to have a little handle that I'm not really going to put much effort into modeling. Okay. I accidentally hit measure. I'm hilarious. Okay. Oh, man. No. A plane parallel with here. My second reference is this line. Please select a different combination. Fuck you. Okay, perpendicular. What does this do? I can make many planes. Ooh. Okay, now I'm gonna do one plane. is 0. Coincident. No, let's go for this. Okay. And the second reference is going to be a line. Perpendicular. Coincident. Let's try this line. We're getting somewhere. What the fuck do you mean? Okay. Sure, let's delete. Okay. Okay, first reference is going to be this line. Second reference is going to be this plane. Okay. This face, it's going to be 0 degrees with this face. Great. Parallel. Fuck you. Coincident. Literally nothing. Fuck you. I'm an idiot, and I could have just selected this the whole time. Yep. Okay. I'm having fun, chat. Wait, can I just do a second reference? Wait. Perpendicular. What the fuck you mean? Coincident. Second reference. Hey, chat, does anyone know how to generate a plane between two planes? Because I fucking don't. I know how to do it in Fusion. But, like, I don't in this, so... Wait, reference geometry. Nope. Okay. Okay, there we go. Okay, configured entities, offset on surface, quick snaps, blah, blah, blah. Are there more options for planes, or is this literally it? Cam. Ooh, I did cam. I've done actually a decent amount of cam in Fusion 360. It was fun. I enjoyed it. Okay. This doesn't have what I want, does it? How do I make the origin show again? Is it appear, I think? No. Okay. Oh, here we are. So pretty much, I shouldn't have made this at such an off-axis. Can I just move this to be flat with the plane? Where is move? Where would move be? Move entities. Move sketch entities. Okay. More linear pattern. Blah blah blah. Blah blah. Ooh. Okay. Generate. Yep. This is what I want. Reference one. Parallel with this, but between. Oh, okay. This is so much easier to make. Okay. Wow. Why was that such a bitch earlier? This is gonna be a perpendicular. Let's try this again. Reference here. It's gonna be It's gonna have a 90-degree offset, and it's going to be a mid-plane. Thank you for giving me a rebuild error and not telling me what it is. Okay. I am having fun. My God. Okay. It's gonna be a perpendicular. Okay. Okay. This calming music really helps. Like, logically this like works. Logically this works, okay? The software this doesn't. Logically, to me, this works. Because I want to make a plane in the direct middle of here, but it's perpendicular to this line, and it's a mid-plane. So it'd be perpendicular, and it would be project. Fuck you. And this third is also a project. Okay, you can fuck off then. Okay, along normal sketch. Flip offset. Huh? Wait. Line has a project constraint, but no plane selected. I'm having so much fun. Okay, what's the... degree offset? What's the offset? Oh my God. I want to know the offset. Find to find projected on measurement. No. Okay. Create sensor. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. Wait, this plane is perpendicular to this plane, right? Okay. Okay, so this is the wrong amount. Since this is offset from a plane, it doesn't work. So I need to find out the theoretical distance of a line. I can just use sketch. A line that goes from here that is parallel to this. Okay. What is... What am I trying to do? Well, I'm trying to CAD an industrial roomba. My brain is just committing seppuku. So I've been trying for too long to generate a plane, a mid-plane, right here. That is perpendicular to this axis. Now it helps if you use your head. Something I haven't been doing this entire time. Now, I've been trying to find the distance between here and the center point here for some reason, but it just clicked in my head that I could also find the distance from here to here and divide by 2. hiding. I'm taking one from the printer. Okay. So my distance is 8.696985. Cool. Change your main sketch plane to be front plane. Main sketch plane. Huh? Okay, I'm gonna explain how I've done this actually quick. The way I did this, I just made a polygon and then cut the polygon. But I didn't offset it properly, so it would be level with this plane because, I don't know, I'm dumb. I could make a box and then cut a polygon down on it, but I don't wanna. This is effective for now. I don't know what I'm doing. I know. Shocking. I don't know what I'm doing. So hey, might as well go with it. Now I'm gonna try and generate planes offset from planes. God, what am I doing with my life? Okay, my offset is going to be 2.8995. Honk. That's a 3.8995. Not a 2. That's a 23. Indeed, that is exactly where I wanted it. Okay. Cool. Now that I have that, I'm going to check if my delay is turned off. My delay is on, but it's 5 seconds. Okay, that's cool. Okay, so these aren't long enough. The distance on these is pretty much arbitrary, I believe. So let's put them right about there. And semicircle, bonk. Yeah, whoops. Point 3.25. Half an inch? That's way bigger than I thought it was. Let's put that 1/4 inch. Let me just... I had to log in Okay. Well, welcome over. I'm happy that at least someone's typing to me, because that's rare. Ah, I love that this actually lets me set dimensions to 0. I've used certain softwares to not be named for real that don't let me do that, and I hate it. So yeah. Gosh, this is gonna be so shitty. I should have left everything bigger. This not big enough. Oops. Ignore the people playing Magic the Gathering in the background. Oh, whoops, I forgot to... Damn it. Damn. I always forget I can't double click. I am sitting in my my stream Discord if you wanna come and say hi, and help me that way. Any help's really great, because I have not a single fucking clue what I'm doing. Okay. Bam! Just like that, and then I can mirror, component mirror, yes. Mirror. Features to mirror. Mirror plane. This is a fucking huge handle. How big is that handle? Oh, I guess that's not that big. Well, it's 2.8. 2.8 is... 5.7. Okay, so it's like... It's this big compared to my hand. So, yeah, that's actually a really comfortable size. I'd go for 5.5, but then I would have to change distances and everything. I don't want to do that anymore because I'm tired already from catting. It was really fast. Yeah, I have... I mean, I also didn't get supper. Ah, there we are. Back crack. Back go crack. I think that's... I mean, technically there should be a pin in there. I don't... Oh, that's chintzy as frick. I'm gonna need this to be bigger. Now I'm looking at that. I'm gonna need more chunk right here. 0.33. I think we're gonna go for 0.4 straight up 0.4. Just get it some nice chunk right there, so it's just more beefy. So then down to the actual battery. This is gonna be a battery, so I don't. Most likely, what this is gonna be is like this will ride on a little plastic piece under it, and then it'll go. Oh, then I should do the slide. Do the ride. I don't fucking know what I'm doing. Ah. Okay, we'll just leave that. You know there's a handle there. Okay, can I? Yeah, go ahead. I am open to taking tips. Be my guest. I'm streaming this because I want input from people. Okay, go back and edit the sketch. Okay. Okay. The wait time is killing me. Oh, could I go annoy them? What are they playing? Thanks, mate. Oh, probably best not. Okay. Select the left vert line and then shift click the edge you put. Oh. Oh, does that just make it coincident? Okay. One sec, I'll just delete the... Ah! that's a useful feature. Thank you for that, actually. I didn't know how to do that in this. I had no idea that that existed. Okay. I guess for this it would be parallel and coincident, since I'm dimensioning it to a line. It would be both parallel and coincident. No, it will always be on that edge. Right? It would be parallel and coincident with that edge. In theory. I don't know. I'm fucking dumb. I don't know what I'm doing. My brain is just off now. I've had caffeine now works more like a depressant than it used to, and my brain's just no longer working. I probably shouldn't be drinking so much Mountain Dew, but I am. So help. Yes, let's get some water. Yeah, this is water, not Mountain Dew. The 2 liters of water. Okay. Save as documents. Okay, that's saved. Okay, cool. Create new. Now what should we go for? Oh, I'm gonna show you the shell because you haven't seen the shell. 3. Yeah. Best practice would be to keep our part close to centered about the origin. Yeah. Once you have it not centered at the origin, it starts to get all fucky when you put it into an assembly, because then it's way off on the assembly. Okay. So this is my shell so far. It's gonna change. I know it's gonna change. But I'm probably gonna have a different part set as the bottom of it. Although in reality, the bottom part of this would most likely be in the same part to make manufacturing a little easier. But that makes modeling a pain in the ass, so I'm gonna join the parts later. And I'm not gonna model the bottom for now, because ease of use. Once it's all fitted together, I'll add the bottom. And I'm gonna hope that that's not a pain in the ass to do. Well, it's gonna be a pain in the ass to do. Okay. So in this back area here, this is where the battery is gonna sit. The battery's gonna slide in right past these walls. I might have it a little too big for the walls, but if I do, I can change that. I know I have it short enough so it will be flush with the bottom. In theory, of course, tolerances exist. This front area is where the cleaning is gonna happen. So that's where all the brushes and stuff will be. It'll have, most likely, 1 brush, 2 brush, vacuum sucky boy. And then it'll have the box in the middle. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I really don't. Because I need to fit the vacuum and motors. The motors are gonna be small. I think, maybe. The battery, most likely way too big for this. That's a fucking massive battery. Oh god. The battery's gonna be so big. I mean, if I have a cutout in the middle of the battery, I can charge more for it, because it'll be a battery required for this. Other than that, I don't know what I'm doing. Wow, Mountain Dew fucks me up. How? There's almost no caffeine, there's just a bunch of sugar. Is it the sugar that's giving me weird? I'm confused. I think I'm to the point, I'm to the point before my body starts to, kick its metabolism into high gear. So my brain's just, only a quarter bit functional. Scuffed. Oh well, good luck. Yeah. Oh, I'll need it. Let's see, I guess. The center could just be an actual, vacuum system. So I could, have 2 small motors right here and right here, of course, offset a little bit, that sweep everything to a main area. And then have a vacuum nozzle in that main area that also kind of pushes it out. And I can use this whole ass front area. And I can use the whole front area in order to fit my vacuum. 7 inches tall. My motors are going to be small, most likely, I hope. I need to actually find out how big the motors are going to be need to find out how big my drive motors are gonna be. Put a diesel engine in the back so it just runs off gas. Why is your Roomba so loud? Oh, don't mind it. It just has a diesel engine hooked in it. Have a V4. What would the point of that be? How would you integrate a like gas engine into a Roomba? That would make it so big. Fuck. I don't know what I'm doing, guys. How is a normal Roomba made? Okay, let's look at the bottom of a Roomba and let's just see what it looks like. Okay, you're joining me. Welcome. Okay, let's see if that person reacts. It's interesting that it only has one brush. That's very interesting to me. Okay. Roomba inside. Okay, can we find a Roomba picture with the bottom disassembled? This is very interesting. Okay. This shows how it works. Okay, so it's like everything there, it just has an airflow, constant airflow that pulls it in and through the filter into the back. For this, it has the far back is the connector, which means I could put the battery in the middle and have the far back be where I have the actual thing. But I want the battery to both be big and I want it to be easily replaceable for a consumer so I can sell the batteries themselves. I don't know if I can do that. Okay, let's just look up Roomba inside. Okay, here we are. I have no idea where anything goes in that. Okay. Okay, This tells me more. Okay, very interesting. Okay, so the way they're doing this is they have a gear here and a gearbox here, that runs to the motor, runs to the wheel. Okay, runs to the wheel, runs to the wheel. This, I can just have this as a, like, normal ass roller. Cool. Okay. It's interesting that they put the roller in the center. Although commonly, it would be far more stable to have a roller in the back. I either got pinged. Oh, okay, he's live. Cool. Ah, damn it, Roy's live. Shit. How do they run this, though? Like, I don't get how they're running that. US patent. That would be nice. Could go look at the US patent. Okay, so this is actually the best picture for actually understanding the inside of it. Okay. So these have their own motor set. They've gotta, but where? Okay, let's get to design, shall we? Actually, I'm gonna do initial design on paper, then I'm gonna move to MS Paint. So okay, that's close enough. Alright. Gosh, God tier designs right here, right? Oh man, beautiful. Anyway. So we have. How am I gonna do this? We have a spinner right here. Spinner right here. And they'll most likely not quite mesh together. Then we'll have a roller system right here. It's going to be a shorter roller system and farther up front. And then the box is going to be above it, almost directly above it. I might run into issues with that. I think what I could do is I could move the box farther back. I am actually shaking my monitors just by erasing things. Oh gosh, what power I have. Okay, so I could have my box all the way back. Almost all the way back that I can. Okay, so I could do something like this. So that's where the box is, these two, so this and this. Those are going to be spinners. So those will suck it in. Okay, that's... Is there an octagon one? Okay, so what I'm thinking right now, our orange is going to be wheels. This will be our wheel system. So we'll have wheels right there. We're going to have a box right here. About right here. It'll be about a third of the way through this, so this will go a third down, and then the box will start. Okay, cool. So then over here, we're gonna have this. We're gonna have this. We're gonna have 2 of these, so it sucks in everything. And then there's gonna be pressure down on the brushes. Okay, so this is gonna be one, 2. Beautiful art, by the way. I'm actually a professional artist, if you didn't know. I of course know what I'm doing. That's why I'm using paint. I just have to handicap myself. Okay, so this is what I'm thinking. That's so fucking long. 1 minute. There we go. Anyway, so I'm thinking 2 spinners. They spin in, and then this boy sucks everything up, and then on top of these is going to be a box, and this box is where all of it is stored. But I run into issues with this. Because the issue I'm primarily running into is I have to make it small enough that you can take it out. Or what I want to do is I want to have like a little inlet over here and a little outlet over here where you can have the charging station at one side. I'm thinking 2 sides of charging station. So like it goes that way and it's a cleaning station. So it just sucks everything out for a little bit and then it starts going back. And then the other one sucks everything out and it charges it. Or you can have a charging station independent and then a bunch of cleaning stations. So it never fills up. The issue I run into is how the hell am I doing this? Like, I can put an inlet on the bottom, but then it's gonna fill up with gack. I can put it, like, I can make it so you can just lift the box up. But then, well, then people are gonna grab it by there. If people grab it by there, the box will come up, the Roomba won't. That'll be annoying as hell. Also, this box is probably gonna end up being more like over. It's probably gonna end up being more like over here, and then we have a sucky boy over here. You know. How does a Roomba have a vacuum? Where does the Roomba have a vacuum? Like, I wish I had a Roomba. Okay, let's look. Where the hell is the vacuum? Oh! Wait, where is the Roomba's vacuum? Where's the one that has it just, like, disassembled and set on a ground? This.
To explain just about everything you need to know with the same parts. Don't come all the way out.
Okay.
So if you're wondering why they're not I mean, really, it's really the replacement parts, all while go. This is a Roomba 690, but this tutorial will work for just about any Roomba in the 600 series. That could be a 650 or 75, and even some in the 500 series are very
This
similar
is, of
to
course,
these and
the
use the same parts. In fact, all the parts for the 600 series are pretty much interchangeable, at least most of them, and we'll explain some of that as we go along.
It's interesting that they only have a brush
The
on
first
one
thing
side.
we should
I guess
talk
the other
about
side's probably a
and
vacuum.
clean is the consumable parts, the filters and brushes and so on and so forth. It's really important to keep these cleaned and maintained, and we're going to discover as we go through this that most of the Roomba problems are either a result of they either just need to be cleaned or something has broken because it hasn't been cleaned. Most of the issues you're going to find are because of that. As I mentioned, the filters and so on are easily replaceable. The good thing about Roombas is that all the parts are really easy to find, whether that's directly through
How
iRobot
does it work?
or there's a ton of third-party kind of manufacturers
Oh,
and
that's
so on.
worse. Okay.
Your filters can be replaced, and really you can get packages with the brush rolls and filters and brushes all in one package through third-party sites that tend to have pretty good reviews, but you can check that for yourself. I'll put links in the description to just about everything I'll mention here today. With the filters, though, you can clean these pretty good with just a vacuum, so that's what I'm going to do real quick.
Using a vacuum to clean your
And
Roomba.
you want to keep your filters clean because of things like airflow restriction and so on. So that can be an issue with loss of power if your filters are too clogged. You also want to check in here to make sure everything is not clogged up, this fan or anything. But one of the biggest issues, and you'll get errors with this
so dumb.
is with the brush rolls.
Brush rolls.
So this Roomba is
Brush rolls are
clean,
going to be a
I mean,
pain in the
relatively
ass
so.
for my
One of
design.
the issues you're going to find is that hair gets really wrapped up in all kinds of little places, but especially
Oh, yeah, here's a bitch. I won't have to care about hair, actually.
little bearings right here and all around here. If you're
Because,
getting brush
well,
roll
those are
errors
bushings,
and you
not
haven't
bearings, by the way.
opened this up to check in here,
Anyway,
there's a
I
good
won't have
chance
to
that
deal
that is
with,
clogged up. And all of these things, especially the things
those
that
aren't
have hair
even
wrapped around
bushings.
them like these,
That's the power system.
are
Okay.
important to get
Anyway,
cleaned off because
I won't have to deal
they
with
can
hair
start
because
causing all
it'll
kinds
be
of problems
for
with
the
motors
industry,
and stuff
so
like
you
that,
won't really
especially
have
with the wheels
hair.
and other issues.
Okay.
So maintenance with
How does
with
it do
robots
this?
is more important, I think, than with a traditional vacuum, where you can kind of get away with not cleaning it for a while. With robot, reason then to extend the life of the robot because not cleaning it.
Blah cleaning
With
it.
the 600 series, the battery is under this plate, and it's not that bad to replace. I should mention, if you go much further than this, avoid the warranty and to be avoid.
I'll avoid the warranty. I don't care. I'm designing a robot. Shush.
Take that right off.
Okay.
And you can see that those screws are the type that will not come all the way out. So
That's always nice.
about as much as you want to disassemble this if you don't want to get too serious about it.
Okay, so that's just like a high-speed spinner. So you just have like a little motor that spins.
You can get these from iRobot. They do sell these. Also, a lot of third-party manufacturers make these a lot cheaper. And I haven't done any tests, but I have seen other tests online that show that they are pretty good. Some of the replacements that are bought.
Interesting
I'll put a link in the
battery
description
connection.
to both the iRobot site and to some
I
of
think
the
I'm gonna
third-party
try to
sites
go
that
with a
do.
thin
So if
battery
your
connection
Roomba
like what you
is,
see on a
having some battery issues, it's not
laptop.
lasting very long, and you've had it for quite some time, there's a very good chance that your battery is just going dead. So that's certainly one issue to look for. There's a lot of codes and stuff that have to do with your sensors, and you won't have to disassemble it much more than this to clean off, for example, your drop sensors. Some of the things that happen if you have a dirty drop sensor is that it's going to kind of erratically move around. The drop sensors detect whether erratically, so how to replace those after a little bit. Another code you might get is
That might be a pain to make. Okay.
When you get that code, iRobot recommends
Doodly doo blah blah.
Problem there. That's one of the things.
I want to know how they integrated a vacuum in. How do they have the motors set? Okay, down in the well. They're down there. Okay, so each motor is just oh, interesting. Each motor has a suspension. Okay, that's interesting.
Careful because you're buying. They will say right there whether it's got 3 screws. They also sell them on eBay and other places. I could be on another.
Where the hell's the vacuum on this? There's no space for a vacuum.
Off here. Now the reason this is important is because this is going to be your brush roll motor.
Oh, hey. Okay, so yeah, they just have a motor with a gearbox. Spins up one side. Cool.
So had some, like I said, warp because it's
blah blah. This can happen. This can happen. This is why it breaks. I know what that's what the video is about. But still.
The brush. You are not the kind of person that.
Okay, I'm gonna say this. This front little roller here, I'm not gonna deal with this. I'm gonna put this in the back. I'm gonna have one in the front and in the back, and it's just gonna sit there. It's gonna be like a ball. It's not gonna be this fancy. It's gonna be a ball because that's more efficient.
To fix side can easily
for
be
what I'm gonna be doing.
I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure.
Most likely. Don't quote me on that.
By Robot, at least on their website. Unit off. You can take this screw off.
Okay, that's just a little high speed with a little offset. Cool.
This can clean and it's still not. And a common issue is this spinning caster here. Now you step that loose off that are connected to.
Okay, I am gonna have to have probably a bump. I'm gonna have to have bumpers, and I'm gonna have to have a lidar. I'm gonna put lidar on it just cause. Because then it can map your machine shop out.
Like little light bulbs.
Self.
Hit it with a vacuum brush. This plate.
Clean it with your vacuum, you know.
With the lower, much better. That sort of an. More should move. There are. Happen by.
Where's the vacuum? There's like nothing there. Where the hell's the vacuum?
Once you essentially what we're one.
What?
A little bit. See what we're going to be the easy.
How small is the vacuum on our Roomba? I was thinking like having a shop vac motor and just spinning that up for the vacuum. No, the Roomba vacuum is fucking tiny. Jeez. Okay.
For the faint, trying to send well. Yeah, and the bump sensors are wired in.
Those the bump sensors and stuff. Those are just sensors. Okay, cool. I don't care about those.
Those can go bad, and if they go bad,
where's the?
There's like a little latch. We're gonna have to. Thanks to me.
What? Where's the vacuum? Where's the vacuum? What? Okay. What the hell? I didn't know it could be this confusing. Okay, battery charge points, infrared, large brush, dirt, 2 rotating drive motors. Okay, I don't care about that. I want to know, how does it work? Is there actually no vacuum in it? Wait, no way. Oh, no, there's a tiny little vacuum in the tray itself. Okay. Interesting. Okay, so it's inside of the container itself that they have a vacuum. So that would be inside of here, which means we could expand it. Oh god, what am I gonna do with the back though? The back's gonna be a battery. That's what I want it to be. But I might have to change that. Where do you guys think the battery should go? I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just like waffling around. Okay, well, MS Paint is what's effective. I don't have any other drawing softwares. Otherwise, I would probably use them, but MS Paint works. You can understand it, you know? I want 2 brush rolls. I want 2, like, large brushes. And I don't know how, because the way iRobot has it is this is the container itself, right? Right, this is the container. Oh, whoops. I have to click off of that. And then this is the vacuum. Like, I've actually never used Paint 3D. What does Paint 3D even... How does Paint 3D even work? I don't think I've used it. Is that what pops up for Snip and Sketch? Oh, fuck it. Okay. Let's wait for this to start. I've never used Paint 3D. I'll just set this over here. Oh yeah, if you wanna go talk to me, just hop in my server. Okay. God, what do I do? Like, because I want the container to be removable. Oh. Okay. I know what I can do. Oh shit, it really is just like Paint, but better. Holy crap. So this is Paint 3D. Okay. Yeah, it's a potato. Okay, I have a 2.5-inch 1 terabyte, or I have a 2.5-inch 250 gig 5400 RPM drive. It's so bad. Shush. Okay. Okay. Shush. I have a bad PC because I'm broke. Okay. I'm gonna blame it on me being broke. Because currently, my job is to stream. Okay. Let's close our MS Paint. MS Paint is fun to use, though. It really is fun. It's a solid bean. Okay. So, octagon. This is bad. Okay. No, I'm actually designing an industrial roomba. It's gonna be a 21-inch octagon. 21-inch, what is it? 21-inch inscribed. So basically, diameter. Yeah, it's, yes, there's inscribed and circumscribed. Yeah, it's inscribed, I think. This is what I have right now. This entire back area is the battery. Hot damn! That's a big ass. How long do you expect this thing to go? It's made to clean an entire warehouse. There. Like, it's between all of your machines, like throughout the entire machine shop off one charge. And nickel metal hydride, so it doesn't explode. I'm just making fun. Okay. The thing is, you're right. It would be funny if you weren't right. Okay. God. Also, I'm using Solidworks. Haha, I don't know what I'm doing. Crop. Wait. Let me crop. Okay, here we are. I don't have an octagon, though. Oh, no. Where's my, hmm. I am, so good at making polygons. This looks beautiful. This may be a little bit off center, okay? Okay. Here, do you wanna draw this up so I don't have to, because you're seeing how bad I draw things. Ah, so gross. It hurts my OCD too. It's fine. You know what? That's just... I know what I'm gonna do. I don't know what I'm gonna do. 3D shapes. There aren't more shapes. There needs to be more shapes. Be my guest. Just draw up a pentagon. Octagon. Draw up an octagon. Because I can only make octagons in SolidWorks, where I click polygon and then extrude it. That's how I make things. Okay, just cut off the corner. Ha ha ha. You know what? Here, let's try this. Okay, let's just... The thing is, this is actually guesswork. For me. Like, I don't know how I'm... Wait. Exploit. Ooh, that's a little big. I finally have a brain. Me only does CAD. Me and graphic design. Oh, man. See, I should just, like, take courses in graphic design so my stuff doesn't look this god-awful. Green is the best color. Not for magic, just overall green is the best color. I'm very careful when erasing stuff, yet I still get shit wrong. Okay, this is close enough. I'm calling this close enough. Okay, so... Let's go green. Let's go here. Okay. Fuck. Hey, how do I edit color? Undo. Oh, wait, what? It's okay. Fucking actually undo. There we go. Okay. How do I change color? There, it's right in front of me. Okay. So green. This green area is the battery. Cool. Is there... Yes. Green. Okay. Green area equals battery. We know this. Great. Circle. Right, right here. This is so bad. I could just be doing this, because I'm gonna want a solid circle anyway. Right here, right here. This is off, and it pisses me off. This is wrong. Ah, okay. Okay, change color to blue. This is gonna be a blue area. Okay. Nope, that's not what I want. This is the shittiest, like... Yes. Right there, good enough. Okay. Probably shouldn't be saying good enough to people who actually do art. Okay. Have fun, Jack. Have a good sleep. Monster creation? What do you mean monster creation? This is glorious. It's beautiful. Right? Yeah, see, confirmation from some random person on the side. Shh. Decrease the thickness. Line type, it is red. Everything is red. Do. This wasn't. Yank. Yeah. Frick. To the wall. Okay, I'll be right back, everyone. I'm gonna do things. So my brother is too slow, so I'm saying fuck it. Okay. So God, Bunny, I'm pretty sure my drawings would give you physical pain. I'm pretty sure. Just saying. Okay. So we have the front. The front is indented partially, so I can tell it's the front. Otherwise, yeah. So that's what the back looks like. Oh no, I mean my physical drawings. Like I'm drawing this whole thing physically too. It's gross to anyone who can draw, but it's fine for me. Lets me know what I'm doing. Like over here I have I was designing a shed, so I have like some really crappy drawings for a shed. You know. It's really really fun. Okay. Let's get started on my wheels. I think I'm gonna start with the wheels. Where do I want to start the wheels off at? How big do I want the wheels? This is a 7-inch enclosure, 7 inches up. I want them slightly up, so their center is above the base, so I can center the tire. How much above the base do I want the center to be? It's gonna be running off a gearbox, of course. That or a pulley system, probably a gearbox. Gearbox. I'm gonna say have 4-inch wheels. Wait, how big is this area? How big of an area do I have to work with? I have an 8-inch area to work with. So I could make them a 6-inch wheel with a gearbox going off to the side. I could have each one have independent drive. How big is a 6-inch wheel on this model? 8.96. So I'm gonna go with a 4-inch wheel, so I have more space on each side. So we're gonna go with a 4-inch pneumatic. Probably gonna go with a 4-inch hard rubber wheel. So let's make this. No. Okay, part yes. Okay. Cool. Sketch. No, we're gonna go with. Want it to rotate this way. We're gonna go with the right plane. Okay, cool. So, wheel. What are we gonna do for the? Okay, so I wanted a 4-inch wheel. I think we're gonna have a 1/2 inch of rubber. So that 1/2 inch of rubber is going to end up actually a 1/2 inch. How much is a 1/2 inch? 1/2 inch is a much rubber, right? Yeah, that's a good amount of rubber. Okay. So smart design dimension. Okay, smart dimension. Cool. So we want a 1/2, and then we want a. Okay. So this is going to be very interesting. This 1/2 inch is going to be different. I think we're going to have a little wider. So actually, this is all going to go away. I could have used the square tool for that, by the way. How thick do I want the wheels? 1/4 inch? 1/2 inch? 1 inch? we're gonna go with a 1-inch thick. Yeah, 1-inch thick, 4-inch wheel. Okay. 1. God, this is gonna be. Okay, cool. Okay. Cancel. Okay. I can't do that. I wanna, but I can't, and it's too much work too. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make this 0.35 probably, right? Okay. Now we can edit this. 0.35. Yeah, that'll be fine. This will be fine. Okay, then we're gonna add the rubber on top of this. So this is, it's gonna be a 1/2 inch of rubber. Okay. Okay, let's go 0.45, fill it for the dimension, so we can kind of tell that this is going to be a wheel. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. I think what I'm gonna end up actually doing is, no, it's gonna be a solid wheel, so it actually has proper stuff. It's not gonna be a pneumatic wheel. So let's just remove this real quick. Cool. Then we're gonna put a small sketch fillet, a very small sketch fillet, instead of a very chonky sketch fillet like we had. 0.1, little 0.05. Great. That looks proper. Cool. Exit sketch. This is gonna look scuffed. Yeah, I'll be fine. Okay. Revolve. Fuck are they talking about? Okay. Bonk, bonk, bonk. Ooh. Hit okay. I think. Okay. That looks terrible. So let's sketch chamfer. Bonk. Bonk. Yeah. Okay, before I revolve. Okay, cool. Sketch. Okay. Oh. We're editing the sketch, by the way. Sketch chamfer. Bonk. Bonk. Okay. Equidistant. I don't know how thick that is. I'm an idiot. I'm dumb. Wait a second. Next. 1.4. Okay, so that's gonna be 0.1. I want that to be 0.125. Okay. Okay, so overall this should be 1.5, right? Or no, it should be overall 0.2. 2. Oh. linear because that's dumb. I can add horizontal, but that's weird. That. Okay, I think my only way is actually to. Yes. What is 0? Right. Ha 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 ha. What? How do I? Okay. Okay, let's just start undoing it until it's not overdefined. Yellow means it's overdefined. Cool. Let's remove it until it's overdefined. Okay, great. And then we have our distance here, and then hit distance. Okay, hit OK. Okay, there we go. Now this should be the proper 2 inches, right? Good. Great. Done. My smart design is done. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna chamfer. You. Okay, cancel. Okay, fine. So what we're gonna do instead of chamfering is we're gonna just put a 45-degree angle from there. Because I don't give a shit. Cool. Great. Exit sketch. Revolve. We're gonna go with this, this, and this, of course. There we go. I mean, fillet would look a little nicer, but this is fine. This is fine. Okay, cool. Be right back. Okay. How's everyone doing today? Y'all doing okay? I'm tired. So, that's... Why am I tired? God knows. Ow. I punched my mic. Sorry, guys. I'm gonna turn myself up a little bit just so I'm... yeah, that'll be fine. Half-inch center. Okay. Do I go for 4 spokes or do I go for 8 spokes, guys? What do you think? Four or 8. I mean, 8 looks cooler. That's more support, but it's more work. And I don't know how I would do that. Would I just go for a 3-point? Actually, wait. Oh, wait, this is a 3-point center? Oh shit, that's way easier. Okay. That's not right. Wait a second here. Okay. And we're gonna go for here. Okay, this should be good. This is so convoluted. It also needs to be a little bit different. I think we're gonna go for a point 2.9 instead. Or no, 2.75. Let's go 0.275, shall we? We'll try this. 0.275. Point. Oh. Okay, this should look a little nicer. And then we can, let's go back into this sketch. No. What? No, I want you, I want to delete you. Yes. Okay. Cool. This looks actually pretty cool. So we're gonna put one directly in the center, and then we're gonna go out to here. 933. Perfect. Okay. Radius of 0.33, so 6.6. Okay, cool. Good enough. And then we're gonna do an extruded cut in here. Exit sketch. That's not what I meant. Okay. Delete. Okay. Okay, how's this gonna look? Okay, we're getting there, then we can fill it over here. We can fill it literally every side here. Boop. Whoops, I didn't. Nope. Okay. I can delete specific selections, by the way. Yet I choose to restart. Yes. It is big brain time. Oh, fucked it up. Okay. Oh, I can just click it again. Ha, I'm dumb. Okay. How is everyone today? I haven't really asked that since I got people actually watching me. How's everyone doing? Are you guys doing okay? Is my design for the wheels looking cool enough? Okay. 0.25 quarter inch. No, wait. 0.125. Eighth inch radius. I mean, I'm gonna do 0.124 so I have something I can sketch to. Yes, if I zoom in close enough. Yes. Okay. Yeah, hell yeah, dude. That's what it should look like. Now let's drink some Mountain Dew so I can't think. Hell yeah. This is how you make it so your mind doesn't work anymore. I love having a mental disability. Okay. Could put more of a radius on there, but I don't really wanna because this is gonna be a hard plastic. Oh shit. Oh no. Oh no. How am I gonna? So I want a square pattern. I want to have a 3, so have that divided into 3. So 1 inch divided into 3, so it would be 0.33 squares. Okay. Obviously, I'm gonna do 1 inch divided by 3 squares. I go off of this, but this is gonna. How am I gonna do that? That's gonna be such a bitch. How am I gonna do it? Okay. I don't know how. Shit. I think I'm gonna have to do a 3D sketch, and I'm gonna have to have a. How am I gonna do this? I'm gonna see if my friend, who actually knows how to CAD on Solidworks, can help me out 1 minute.
They just kind of dump those two off the face of the earth. In Series 10. At the end of Series 10, they dump those two off the face of the earth in a really random way.
I think it fits, but it's still kind of yeah. Now you put it out.
I don't know. I just felt like it was like, why didn't you just hold off?
Hey, Ian, are you able to help me with Solidworks?
Why didn't?
I don't know what I'm doing.
I don't know. It was just weird.
All right, what do you need help with?
You know the like square design that people will put in wheels that goes all the way around? Like they'll be in solid rubber wheels that'll have like a square design.
Nick, which one was
Like,
Amy?
do you mean like it's like a line and then it's like a piece of the like an arc on the top and then an arc on the bottom kind of thing?
It would be like all the way around the wheel. It's a like square indent into the wheel.
Square indent. You could do a linear pattern, or no, not a linear pattern. I'm thinking
Circular pattern.
Yeah, circular pattern. You would do a circular pattern, not a linear pattern. A linear pattern is like straight line. You could do a sweep. You can do a sweep. I think would be one of the best Do you have a line that's already like there
No.
that you could use as like a basis
Well,
to do a sketch
it's,
off of?
it's not like lines through it, it's lines towards the center axis.
Alright.
It would be...
Okay, so yeah, that
a
would
square.
be. Yeah. Okay.
Yep, thank you.
And yeah, that would be like.
I'm gonna go back to my streaming server now. Bye.
Yep. All right.
I just waved at him. I just waved goodbye, and I have my webcam turned off. Oh, man. Okay, so we're gonna go with a plane. This is gonna be its reference geometry. We're gonna have one of those. We're gonna have 3 of them. Wait, input is in. Fuck. Let's put... I look hotter than... What? What do you mean I look hotter than 67? What? Wait, hot... that hotter than 67. I am confusion. You confuse me. Makes that. That or my brain doesn't work because I've been chugging Mountain Dew for the past hour. Health, by the way. The wheel, not you. Okay. Yeah, this is a surprisingly nice looking wheel for being made by me. Okay. Oh wait, I need center line first. Axis. Okay, I need an axis based off of here. Yes. Oh, shit. Yes. Okay. Can I make just like... Okay, an axis based off of you. That makes an axis this way, but I want a different one. To make that, I would need 2 tangent. To make the 2 tangent, I would need an axis. Fuck. Shit. I could also make an offset axis off of the primary axis that I started modeling off of, but I don't want to do that because that's too much work. I might have to. What is an effective way to do this? Let's go with the 2 planes. Okay, let's show our planes, and then let's generate an axis between here, and that should generate the proper axis that I need. Yes, it does. Okay, we can hide these again. Sip. Damn it. Thank you for pinging me, because I don't get notifications for the SIP. Actually, it makes me think worse, but thank you. I should have SIP, and I should have a hydrate. Wait, there's a wrap? I might have to test that. Perpendicular. Yes. Okay. So we're gonna do, like, we're gonna make offset planes. Tangent to... Oh god, this is gonna be such a bitch. Okay, wait, actually, if I can just wrap it... Okay. We'll see. Okay, here we are. dimension. Wait, why am I doing this? What the hell am I doing? Okay. Wait. I suck at it. Okay. Big brain. Okay. Now let's dimension. Okay, 1 divided by 3. 1 divided by 3. Cancel. Shit. 1 divided by 3. Okay, 3, 3, 3. Okay, let's make sure. Oh wait, is this just like, okay, yeah, that's, okay, cool, 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 cool. Hey, there we go, okay. Exit. This is what I want. Okay, so what happens if we wrap the sketched contour? Deboss. I want to deboss it. I want to deboss it. Yeah, 0.1 sounds good. Cannot be created. Wait, cannot be created from intersecting to open contours. Okay. Wait, Twitch is weird. I get a gifted sub from channels. Yeah, actually, I can tell you why that happens. So, when the people in chat, when everyone in chat already has a sub, more people get subs. It's random at that point. You don't even have to be following. It's actually random. I should be drinking water instead of Mountain Dew. What am I doing? Water. Okay. How? I wanna make a wrap, but I don't know how I would do that. Like, I could just constantly copy and paste it. That I could. It's weird. It haven't really. You're lucky. I never get those. I never get those. You know what would be great though? A gifted sub to Gold Wolf 94, of course. Okay. I actually need to find. Oh god. It's pi r squared. R is 2. Okay, since it's 4-inch square, R is 2. So pi r squared. God, I never thought I would use pi. Fuck. Pi times 2 squared. 2 times 2 is 4. Cool. Pi times 4. Right? Yeah, pi r squared. 4. So it's 12.56. Okay. 12.56 divided by 0.33 is 38. Okay. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna. Okay, I have a brain. Get one every week? Jeez, dude, lucky bugger. Okay. Copy. Okay, so this really weird. Yeah, I agree though. That's actually pretty damn weird. Gosh, I wish my channel had that issue. That'd be really nice. Okay. Divided by 38 0.33. Okay. I have biggest brain. Okay. So each one has a. Oh, this is big brain. Yes. Okay. Okay, so this is actually the same. Okay, so 0.33069. Okay, 0.33069. Okay. Bonk. There we go. Okay. And now, watch this. This is gonna. Okay, see ya, man. Have fun. Why did that not copy? What the hell? Merge. Yes, over dimension. Fuck. Oh, wait. Okay. Let's just copy, paste. I don't know how to do things. Oh, hey, I found them. Yes. Wait, why don't I just do that? What the hell? Okay, 38 divided by 2. 19. Okay. Why don't we make a linear sketch pattern? That goes. Dimensional spacing. Yes. This is going to be 0. Shit. Oh, wait, spacing from here to here? Okay, 3, 3, so... Okay, cool. Oh, right. 06, 9, 3, 9, 6, 3, 5. Okay. Times 2. Yeah. Oh, please let me warp this. Please let me wrap this. No, let's actually do this. Wrap. Yes. Wrap feature cannot be created from intersecting or open contours. What the fuck do you mean intersecting and open contours? These are all closed. They're literally all closed. What the fuck do you mean? Okay. Emboss. Okay. Anyone in chat know how to fix this? Because I don't. Because what I would do is I would wrap this. Solidworks. This is in fact Solidworks. Hell yeah. I just don't know what I'm doing. Because I have this. This is the exact length of this circle. But it won't work. Oh, you've never used it? Hey. Okay, so you can't help me, big sad. But oh well. How's it going, man? You having fun? I'm... Because I was gonna wrap this. I was gonna wrap closed sketch contour into a face. Okay. I wanna... This is a closed sketch contour, but it won't work. Wait. Just popping in to say hi. Okay. Have a good sleep, man. Welcome to the chat. I'm just a kid. I normally play R6 and stuff. I normally don't CAD, but I've CAD'd, so might as well put CAD. Like I don't get what it means, man. I don't. Yeah, I will need it, I guess. No, I'm just. Okay, that's wait. Okay. What's my radius? My radius is a 0.05. Okay, so it's a 0.05 radius. Cool. Thank you. Just needed that real quick.
No, it must have been my imagination. It makes me realize how desperately alone he is.
Point oh five. Okay. Or wait, no, this is. Collinear. Thank you. These are now collinear. Yup. Okay. If it tells me that this is wrong, I'm gonna be mad. Okay. Wrap these. This. Fuck do you mean couldn't use any counters? Like it properly wraps it. It's working. You can see that it wraps it right there. But it's like, oh, sorry, you can't wrap it. Sorry, no. Fuck you. What do you mean? Sketch. Wait. Here's a sketch right here. It works. Bastard. Okay. Okay. You know what? Fuck it. Wrap. Okay. Okay. So yeah, apparently if I add water, my brain doesn't shut down. Fuck yeah. What version of Saw I'm using? 2019. Okay. Okay. Sure. Let's try. Okay. It wants me to make this sketch not on this plane. Okay. Let's make it on the origin front plane. That's the wrong one. Origin top, right? Top? Yeah. Okay. Okay, that was way faster than the last time I did that. Exit sketch. And now, since it's on the inside, in there, now let's try to wrap it. Sketch 6. This. Okay. And now what? That's fine. I didn't need that anyway. Why is this so challenging? Like, oh my god. It's literally a square. You know what, let's... Edit. Let's delete this one. Yes. Let's just delete that one. All right. Yeah. Let's also delete this. Doesn't matter. Wrap this sketch around here. I'm not mad, I'm just disappointed. Okay. What? Of course he does. Well, I gotta take a nap, also known as I'm not gonna sleep for hours, and I'm probably gonna just talk to robotics kid for hours about my Roomba. Find out why my rep doesn't fucking work. 'Cause it hasn't for hours. I'm gonna see if I can do it in Fusion on my laptop.